Alright gang, we are back on the 68 Buick Skylark Forest find this morning. I really should have had the camera out here. I was fiddling with some things and you know, I got it running. It runs really good, other than I think it has rod knock. But what I did is I took this hose here off the back of the carb, off the PCV valve, and plugged it. And wouldn't you know it, she runs. Give her a little more priming. I'm gonna hook this up and we're gonna fire this thing up for you guys. Up a bit. It's smoking a little. You hear that little knock? That doesn't sound good. Nothing's happening. All right, well, the knock went away. Guess we'll throw some tranny fluid in there and see what happens, if I have any. Listen to that thing idle now. She's just running sweet. Yep, now if I hook this back up though, it'll probably die. She just died on her own. Let's try and restart it. Okay. She's running with that PCV hooked up now. Okay. Let's see if we can get some transmission fluid in this. Hey Lucy, what do you think? The hot rod? Yeah. All right, beauty. We got a runner. Okay, hope to fire this beast up again. Got a couple fresh liters of transmission fluid in the transmission. See what happens. Okay, that's good. You'll notice I also put some new tires on the back. And I got one ready to go for this side. But the other issue I'm having, I slapped on this new water neck. Hooked up a radiator hose here. I had to join them together. It's always a little sketchy, but we do what we got to do. Took that fan off so I don't get whacked, and got a belt. But she leaks water like a sieve from the engine and the radiator. So I'm thinking frost plugs are rusted out. Radiator's got a gash in it down here. You can see it leaking right there. So Anyways, now that I see that this works, I'm going to put it on the ground, slap this tire on, maybe do a little cleaning on the inside so I can get in there without cutting myself. And we're going to try to drive this thing. Yeah, it's pretty nasty in here. Yeah, that's going to be fun. If I find anything interesting, I'll let you guys know. That's working. Made up a couple of these little jumper leads and pulled out the ignition wire here, so we'll just see if we can get anything to happen from in here. Our starter wire is purple. Oh! Okay, so that's it. This must be our hot right here. Our throttle cable up too. Beauty. Okay, we can officially control the car from the inside. That's great. So now, I mean, dare I push that brake pedal? I suppose a guy could open that brake master and have a look. You never know. Maybe it could be the one thing that's doesn't need any work on this car. Come on. Oh, front one's full, back one's empty.
Listen to that. Why is there smoke?
There's smoke?
Coming out that pipe.
Oh, it's been parked for 40 years. Limited amount of coolant in the radiator. But man, she sounds good. And the transmission works. I couldn't be happier. Well, guys, I guess let me know what you think. And what I should do from here. I mean, she definitely runs good enough for a demolition derby. That knock kind of went away. But heck, man, I'd like to pop out some of these dents. Maybe get some goggles or a windshield and maybe hit the road with this thing. Get some miles on it. I know we're missing pretty well every light on the car. But, yeah. I think that would be fun. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in for part 5. Could be a little bit till we get to part 6. We got a bunch of other stuff to do around the homestead here. Oh no, I got the wife's van dirty. At least I didn't get the wife dirty. And then, yeah, just stay tuned. Maybe hit that notification bell so when we do post more content on this car and choose a direction with it, you can be the first to know. Till then, stay groovy.